Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, wireless WAN module, keyboard, fan, RJ45 bracket, and system board. Removal. Remove the 3 P0 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the FIPS fingerprint reader board to the top cover. Using minimal force, lift the FIPS fingerprint reader board off of the alignment pins, then slide it out and remove. Note, the connector wires of the adjacent RTC battery may obstruct the safe removal of the FIPS fingerprint reader board. You may need to remove the RTC battery before attempting to remove the FIPS fingerprint reader board. Reverse this procedure to install the FIPS fingerprint reader board.